Screw that nonsense aluminium foil. Today we're going to campfire cook some potatoes and wild veggies. The proper smooth Gefixt bushcraft way. That smoke. Special feature where you can tilt it up a bit higher. Smooth Gefixt, ouwe. Let's get a fire going. Bird nest material. Found myself some mighty oak wood. Let's clean up this topsoil and make a nice and safe fire pit. And we need some roots. Yes. Hopey with the bow drill. Well, Dylan and me, we have to practice, you see, because we got some intense survival challenges coming up. I got like nothing done and it's pissing rain. Don't miss out on that. Subscribe to our channel and maybe hit the bell icon for notification updates. Okay, let's warm this up. An ember. Right. Fire! Yes! It's more air. Not too shabby. Fire! Well, instead of packing our potatoes in aluminium foil, a typical Western society disposable product, bad stuff, doesn't fit the bushcraft philosophy in my opinion. Tell me what you think in the comments. Well, we're going to pack our potatoes in some leaves. Now, I forested myself some burdock here. Burdock, it's a great wild edible. It not only has great big leaves to pack our potatoes in, but it also has nice edible roots, which are a very good source of carbohydrates. Well, first, we're going to cut our potatoes in some smaller pieces. May I say? And we cut them in some smaller pieces. Oops. Okay, now we pick some nice burdock leaves and we put our potatoes in. Pack this up nice and tidy. And we put some other leaves around it. Go. Oops. Well, I don't have myself the most amazing cutting table here, but it will do. It will do. Now, wrap these around. Very nice. Now we take some of those roots I just took out of my campfire pit and bind them around, nice and tidy. Keep it together, like that. That works great. Here we go. That's one. Okay, next one. Now I also forested myself some limewood leaves. Amazing tree species anyways. Let's see how these work out. Got some more potato. You can use also other kinds of leaves, as long as they are not poisonous and preferably of reasonable size. Makes the packing easier. The army coming by. What's that? Alright. Ready to put them on the fire. So now we will not just put our potato packages into the fire, but put our fire on top of it. So I'm going to dig a hole here, bury them, and move our fire. Okay, bury our potato packages. Nice like that. Very nice. Bury this. Just a small layer of sand over it. Now let's move our fire. Well, you not really can call it a fire anymore, but we'll bring it to life again. So we will. There. So in the meantime, let's put our burdock roots beside the fire so they can cook as well. That's tough. Let's take these guys out. Ooh, that's hot. Oop. Okay, it's been a little hour now. Let's see how we're doing here. Where are they? Okay. very juicy. I love those sweet potatoes. Let's try out one of these in the burdock leaves. Yes. Isn't that properly done? I think it is. Oh! Now I have to say, those in the burdock leaves, they taste quite bitter because the sap of the burdock, it rinsed through it. It was quite bitter taste, but it's good. It's good. The ones in the lime, they're perfect. They're amazing. Lime, very neutral taste. Very nice for salad too, those lime leaves, the young ones. So now there's still some news to tell. Smooth Gefixt will have weekly uploads this summer. Every Thursday, 4 PM Greenwich Main Time. Smooth Gefixt uploadings. Let's taste those burdock leaves now. Skin them first. Yummy. It's an interesting taste, definitely good. And a very good source of carbohydrates for a wild edible. The burdock plant. I like it. So folks, I hope you liked this video. If you did, maybe consider subscribing and share this video. Give a like, comment, blah 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 blah. It would really help, and we appreciate it. Check out our other videos, and thanks for watching.